Buenos días amigos, finalmente después de unos meses, casi un año, estamos aquí en el canal. Finally, after the months of break, we are back to the channel and today we are heading towards the district of Wangduephodrang. Estamos aquí en la provincia de Wangduephodrang para conocer una cascada de agua muy popular aquí en esta provincia. We are here to explore the Basachu Waterfall here. So suddenly we'll stop our car and we'll start our trek to the waterfall.
गाडी यता राख्ने कि
गाडी चाहिँ कहाँ उयोको रहेछ अर्को गाडी रहेछ
लाने माथि
अलि माछा हेर त मलाई जसँग डाउट भएछ त्यहाँ हेर्दाखेरि यस्तो मैले
जब गाडीहरू रोकेर लन्च खाँदो रहेछ नि
Okay, we are here at the place of Wangdi, so we are heading by the farm road to the waterfall. We have the view from of the waterfall from the road also, but we could not capture it. But later on, when we are returning back, we are going to record the view of the waterfall from there. So that's the place that we are visiting now. I think we have village over there also. I have seen in other video also, but we are not that much clear and confident about the route.
कि माथि जानु पर्यो
अलि माथि जानु. So we are not confident about the road still, but we have the view of the waterfall. We know the destination, so we are just driving and leaving behind the waterfall. Maybe okay, yes, yeah, now we are on the way. So that's the valley, the Wangdi river down there. Actually, I don't know, I think we call it Punasangsu, the one. And this side is waterfall, and the water flows down from there.
वेदर त दामी रहेछ नि वार्म वेदर अघि त्यो बासको मान्छेहरू पनि यता आउने हो कि यता गएको होला
कहाँ तल थियो
तल थियो नि त बास एउटा फुल मैले डाउट गरेको त्यही हो नि त
यतै आउने होला सन्डे पनि ताजा नि त
अन्त यही होला
पुगेको जस्तै नै भएन लाग्छ त प्लान्टहरू यस्तो
यतातिर एउटा क्याफे बनायो भने
होटल बन्छ होटल भयो यहाँ फ्युचर. So that's the waterfall that we're going to visit now. So we have stopped here for the view of the waterfall. I think we have to drive up a little more, and from here we have a very beautiful view of the Punasangsu river down there, and we have small village here and the waterfall. Let's go there, and yeah, let's see. So we have very beautiful scenic, very nice scenic beauty from here. Very beautiful view down there. It's an amazing waterfall there. So this is the second attempt that we are making. The first attempt that we try to start from there, but well, it was very difficult for us to find the trail. So we have stopped. We just drive back down here, and we came here. I'll show you later. The the front view also, and from here, so we want to hike to the waterfall. We don't have the clear view of waterfall from here. Just beside the tree, you can see a little bit. That's the one I'm gonna do. So let's see. Just I'm waiting for the ST. He's just checking there. Okay. Let's see. So we have parked our car there, and the ST is there. So one local, let's see, help us. So from here, we are starting our hike. So let's see when we reach there. I hope that we will make it. I think this is not the way. We have to go down. Muni varcha ni? Muni varcha ni? Muni ho. बाटो त गएको छ त उयो त टोयो रहेछ नि गाईको के त्यहाँदेखि छ त उता गएको बाटो त्यसलाई सोधेन पनि Oh, let's go. Okay. We don't want to lose it. I don't have hiking shoes, so I am hiking in this one. So we have just started. We have Stasty coming there, and the waterfall there. Let's see. I don't know. Oh, it's confusing. Just go last. Go. At the right trail to the waterfall. So we just talked to the lady down there, and she told us we have a trail up there, but we have to walk a little more than what actual trail takes us. And there's all photography instrument here, and here we have ST. Yeah. Distance Ragla. So we have to pass this the gate, and but the lady down there, she told us to close it again because the animal may to come in, especially the cattle, and attract the rice field down there. So because of that, so it's always searching summer because of that. So usually to see the waterfall, we have to visit during summertime when the volume of water goes up. So here we see irrigation canal. I think this waterfall is not only for the visitors attraction. It is very useful even for the people here for the irrigation, because during summertime we know in Bhutan we cultivate the rice. So because of the the farms or something like that. Oh, right way, but it's very confusing because I think not many people visit here, so it's a bit difficult to find the trail, but adventurous as I like it here. Go. Oh, same here. Mira que pasa. Mira. Camineta. Okay. Go. Oh, nice. Kita ho? Baru sudah mulai. It's been like around 15 minutes that we have started. So.
I don't think.
Oh, hi. Wah, itu harusnya. Oh, uta gak ke sana? Uta gak ke sana? Itu baru sana? I think from this side. Oh, no, because I was grown up in a village, and I had to explore the trail, the life. Yes, yeah. I think this is the one. Okay. Huh? के छ बाटो ए उताका okay going up. I think they are right. That's our last step. If you start our hike from down there, then we have to go a little straight up. It's true. पर देखियो रहेछ हैन यहाँ देखियो so very confusing yeah? So we have walked a little bit up and we came across this trail. I think this is the right trail to the waterfall, and if anyone of you visits this place, and you have to follow this the water irrigation water, what do we call this pipe. So confusing. Yeah, we'll go from here. So I'm already sweating. It's not that easy. Not easy to go to the waterfall. Okay, yes, yeah, from here. But you have to be very careful when you visit during summertime. This plant is very dangerous, and we have a good friend also here. Oh, marijuana. I think it's not advisable for me to show in this video because not everyone. Oh, kali ke mati ya to ito होला ni. So I have to jump. That means I'm gonna jump go. What is I'm doing now? Mulai mulai thasal. Ito. Go from here. Oh my god. हिँडेको छ मान्छे त छ त बाटो आइज न we are here very next to the waterfall, but I think still we can still go up to this point, so we just want to try. We will not go very close because there is chances that stone may fall down from there. So we can see a trail from here. I think it continues till the waterfall. So we just want to go till here, to this point, this one, to this point. We just want to go there for the photography, and we'll return back. We'll not go very close. I think we have seen some people have been to very close to the waterfall with a raincoat, but we don't want to go. We just want to go there for the photo because we already have enough photo of the waterfall there. So this is our final achievement. Not our final, we want to go very close, but I think this is the perfect place for the photography. Let me go a little down. This thing we need to go from here also, if I'm not mistaken. If we go down here, I hope I will not encounter oh my gosh, okay, now I can see. But we can see the waterfall there. And this is not the clouds. That is the steam of the water. But because this waterfall, it looks very small in camera, I guess, but if you come and see in real, it's amazing. I think one of the biggest, not the biggest, one of the biggest in Bhutan. I've seen very tall. I don't know how we express the water to describe the waterfall, but let me say the tall. But this I think is one of the longest waterfall that I've seen. Very big one. The volume of the water and also the place. It's very nice. and it's located at a very right place because we don't have motor road around, we don't have settlement, so it has the authentic beauty. It's very beautiful, authentic beauty, and very good place for photography. But the trail, out of 10 I will rate 3, because we don't have proper trail. But I think we can walk it through this forest because we don't have cliff. It's a place where the local people out here graze their animal, especially the cattle. So we have already seen a lot of cattle around, and also the local, they told us to close the fence there when you cross, not the fence, but the gate over the fence they have. So they told us to close it when we pass by because there's chances that the animal may go and get inside the field. So there I have my bag, the backpack there, and I'm here.
Oh yeah, it's the one. I think Mati will be boring, right?
Oh yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is all.
Oh yeah, it's easy. This was you.
Lo aja dah, yang dia. Mau itu lagi. Oh yang mati saja tu. So finally walking for another 5 minutes. We came across this one. I don't think they have the proper trail to this. You see a lot of cattle over here, and we're trying to find the route. Maybe I have to follow this. So we'll cross from here. There we go. यहाँ छ बाटो चाहिँ गाई हिँडिरहेछ तलदेखि कहाँ यस्तो पानीमा तर्नु सक्दैन नि तर्नु त पर्यो नि त गाईलाई थाहा छ नि बाटो So we follow this cow. Doji Fincho. Okay, my Doji Fincho wins. So we'll climb up. It's really bunch of Why? Try to go from here. Okay. See, I think I'm almost there. Wow. How is this camera? Let's look back. And my hands here, see. I think we got cards there. Here also. Oh my gosh. It's only just like 5 minutes. So now he's going down there. Oh yes. Oh. Wow. No. Huh? That's also it's also better. Wow. This is what I think you want to. Wow. This need these 2 fingers. Wow. Mira. Wow. Maravilloso. Mira ahí. Pero no sé por dónde la gente está sacando fotos siempre. Wow. Gracias. This is our final point now. But we don't have path here. I think if we go from a little up, I think we can go a little closer. But right here, I think from here it's not possible for normal human being, I would say, because this is very steep and slippery here. Because out here in the photo and the video, I think this stone looks like still it's in the flat position, but no, it's very steep here. And also because of the vapor from the waterfall, it's become very steep here. And even down there also. So yeah, we have one. And we have another waterfall down there also. It looks like a Niagara waterfall there. And the village is here. I think in future maybe we'll see hotels here. For the waterfall here, we got the trees and it's at the road of Boom. So the mountain, but this mountain, the other side we have Punatangsu in between here. And this is back here. And the waterfall finally. So we have to go from this farm road. When you reach here, is our car, and they have come here. And the easiest way to know the place from where you divert your route is when you reach this bridge. This bridge, and other side you will see these things, but I don't know for how long they will keep this one. But from here you will see the waterfall up there. So this is the bridge, and right now they even have the excavation machines here. We'll go a little bit here. So this is the point from where you will start your hike if you not hike to the waterfall route. You don't have to hike much, around 30 minutes up there.